Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kritika and I make beauty related videos here on YouTube. So today's video is gonna be all about hair care and skin care. So today I'll be using these products from Amrutam. So Amrutam is an Ayurvedic brand based in Gwalior. So I have their hair mask and face mask. So today we'll be unboxing this and I will be showing you the application, the results and everything about these products. So stay tuned if you want to find out more about this brand. So both the products came in this bag and I really liked the bag. So at one side of the bag they have mentioned the brand name and at the back of the bag they have their logo on it, which I found really beautiful. So when we open up this bag, we have both the products inside the bag, which is their Kuntal Care Hair Spa and Charcoal Face Mask. So I really like the packaging of both of the products. So let's talk about the Kuntal Care Hair Spa first. So it came in this cardboard packaging and the outer packaging is so beautiful. It is so abstract and colorful. And when we open this up, we have the hair spa bottle right here. So it's their Kuntal Care Hair Spa, which you can do it yourself, and it's 100% Ayurvedic. Kuntal Care Hair Spa works wonders for frizzy hair. It is helpful in hair regrowth, revitalizes your scalp and helps in strengthening of hair roots. Useful in stopping hair loss, helps hair regrowth and keeps your hair healthy and black. So let's talk about the ingredients present in this hair spa. So they have Bhringraj, Amla, Neel, Brahmi, Gudhel, Balchad, Mehendi, Nagar Motha, Nimbu Chilka, Sitafal, Long Oil, Olive Oil, Eucalyptus, Grit Kumari and excipient. So in the general instructions they have mentioned that it might create a tingling or itching sensation, which is normal because there are different kinds of herbs present in this hair spa. Now let's have a look at the charcoal face mask. So it comes in a glass jar like this, which I really liked. So it says that charcoal effectively cleanses the skin, unclogs the pores, removes deeper impurities and dead skin cells. The result is smooth, supple and even toned skin. Herbs like manjistha mixed with multani mitti and charcoal clears dirt, toxins, heavy metals and chemicals. Guava, chironji and marich removes tan, burn marks and detoxifies, and it is suitable for all skin types. So let's have a look on the ingredients mentioned in this face mask. So it has aloe vera, charcoal, nariyal, manjistha, sudarshan pushp, lemongrass, tulsi, manjari, sweet neem, white sandalwood, Rakt Chandan, Marich, Karn Phool, Ila, Chironji, Yashad Bhasm, Tamra Bhasm, Nag Bhasm, Urad extract, almond, guava leaf juice, multani mitti, kheera juice, rose water, orange peel and kevra water. I must say that those were a lot of good ingredients mentioned in this face pack. So now let's quickly apply both of the products. So let's apply the hair mask first. So I am taking this out in a bowl and I'm gonna part my hair and I'm gonna roughly apply it from the roots to the ends. After applying it all over my hair and scalp, I'm gonna leave it for 30 to 40 minutes. It says that you can leave it overnight as well, but I just want to try it for now. Meanwhile, let's apply the face mask. So I have already cleansed and toned my face and now I'm gonna apply an even layer of this face mask all over my face. Make sure you do not apply the mask near your eyes and your mouth, and I'm gonna keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it off with normal water. So only in one use my hair feels really fresh and healthy. It feels thicker and healthier. Also they feel so soft, you can see. Now talking about the charcoal face mask, I really enjoyed using it. It gives a cooling sensation to the face which I really liked. As you can see, I have a lot of active acne on my face right now, so it really helped me to calm down my face, and it really helped in deep cleansing my face. Talking about the price and the quantity of the product, talking about the Kuntal Care Hair Spa, it has 200 ml of product and it retails for 649, which is really affordable. And the charcoal face mask has 150 grams of product and it retails for 1100. It might feel a little bit pricey, but trust me, this is worth it. It is so good on the skin and the ingredients are so natural and Ayurvedic. And if you have acne prone skin like me, then you will love it because it gives a cooling sensation to the face which really helps calming down the active acne and the redness on the face. So yeah, that was it from today's video. I really enjoyed using these Amrutam products. They are so fresh, organic, Ayurvedic. I really love such products. And if you want to check them out, the link would be in my description box, so you can check their products directly through the link in the description box. And I really hope that you found this video helpful, and I will meet you very soon in my next video.